If you spend hours every week fixing formulas, cleaning data, or building reports, Excel Copilot is about to become your favorite coworker. Welcome to Microsoft 365 Quick Skills. I just found 5 Excel Copilot features that turn 3 hours of spreadsheet work into 15 minutes. Let me show you exactly how. Using a 24-month dataset from a fictional managed services company, complete with revenue, software and vendor costs, labor costs, other operating costs, and profit, Copilot can analyze everything instantly. First up, natural language formulas, no more Googling. When calculating profit margin for each service, Copilot applied the calculation to all rows. The formula used by Copilot: profit margin equals revenue minus cost, divided by revenue. Pro tip: Copilot works best when your columns have clear headers, like revenue instead of rev. Good data makes AI smarter. That just saved me 10 minutes of formula hunting. Next, I want to see overall business performance across 2 full years. I highlight my dataset and ask Copilot, analyze the revenue, cost, and profit margin trends across all 24 months. Summarize key insights. Copilot now performs financial analysis, identifying high-margin periods, cost spikes, unexpected dips, seasonal patterns, and top profit-generating services. Time to turn raw data into visuals. I am asking Copilot, highlight the top 10% highest revenue months in green, and the lowest margin months in red. Copilot instantly color codes with professional conditional formatting. Here's where it gets powerful. Feature 4. I have zero Python knowledge, but watch this. I'm asking Copilot, run a regression analysis on revenue versus total cost for each service over 24 months, and generate a correlation chart. It writes the Python code, runs it, and gives me a correlation chart with the actual statistical significance. This used to require a data scientist. Final feature, the time saver. Since our workbook has 24 separate sheets, let's consolidate them. Instead of copying and pasting for 20 minutes, I'm asking Copilot, consolidate all 24 monthly sheets into a single summary table grouped by service with totals for revenue, cost categories, and profit. It consolidates data and generates a summary table in the downloaded file. What used to take me a half hour now takes 30 seconds. So there you have it, 5 Excel Copilot features that just gave you back hours every week. Natural language formulas, AI insights, instant formatting, Python analysis, and multi-sheet consolidation. Which feature will you try first? Drop it in the comments. I want to know what saves you the most time. And if you want more Copilot tips, check out my complete guide up here. If you want me to make a full tutorial on Excel Copilot Python or data cleaning automation, drop a comment. I respond to everyone.